Not good, neget. You think we can try? Wala, cannot ka, no? True. Good morning, everyone. Another dragon fruit flower opened today. Very nice. No more rain, so need to water the string beans. And after this, I will pick some fruit for my cooking this afternoon. And on this side, we get some ladyfinger or okra. Actually, we pick one already and put in my pakbet. I also have here ginger. The papaya is starting to get yellow color, getting ripe. Hala, soon we will pick. Then on this side, my favorite kangkong. The harvest from yesterday and today, I will be using later. Oh, we get plenty dried string beans fruit already. We save this for sprouting. I tell you guys, we will never run out of string beans because we save plenty seeds. I got this much and then I still get some string beans at the front. Oops, meron pa dito. One more there. Ayan. Okay, enough for my cooking later. And in here, look guys, I get small eggplant. So I can also use this for my cooking later. Ooh, so cute. And then, I need to pick this already. So we can save it for sprouting. Ayan siya. And going down, oh, we get small paria coming. But the sad part for today is I know I get strawberry yesterday. I did not pick because I told myself tomorrow so that it will be better, more ripe. This is the one, guys, but look. Oh, somebody ate already. Not me. My God. So I wasted already. I cannot eat anymore. Look. No more. Instead of me eating, I gave it to somebody. That's bad because I waited too long. Next time maybe I will pick. I can use this 2 pieces. Ayan. Saan ka pa? May libreng sweet chili pepper. 2 pieces, one for me, one for hubby. Joke. Ayan. And I know the mailman stopped by in front of the house. So let me check if we get mail. Hindi na naubos-ubos ang mga babayaran, guys. Water bill. Hi everyone, it's cooking time once again. Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs. So for today's video guys, I will show you how I make my version of pork spare ribs curry. This is the pork spare ribs, properly washed, and then I will add water. I will let this boil for a few minutes until the scums float because I will be removing those scums to make sure that our food is safe and clean. And while waiting, I will go in the table to prepare the other ingredients, the vegetables. So of course, I need to use our string beans from the garden. I also picked 2 pieces of the sweet chili pepper from there in our plant. It's potted plants. Likewise, I have a very cutie one small eggplant from our garden. And the rest, of course, we bought. Most of the time, I cook pork because that is the only thing that is friendly to me except vegetables. I get allergies on fish and chicken. So if you see me cooking fish or chicken, that is the time I'm ready to suffer. Handa akong magsakripisyo pag ganun guys kasi minsan naaawa din naman ako sa asawa ko na laging pork, pork, pork. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first I will do the string beans or yung sitaw. Kakat ko lang siya, yung katamtaman lang na length. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. I like put plenty kind of vegetables. So that even though we are eating pork, there are lots of vegetables to offset the meat. Okay, so I'm done with the utong sitaw or string beans. Next, for the sweet chili pepper, I will just cut the tip like that, very easy. Next, this one, I will put red bell pepper. So the red bell pepper already washed, cut natin. So I usually cut like this. Ayan. Freestyle. And I have here 1 piece of potato. Sa ating mga Filipino, ito ay patatas. First thing, remove the skin. Potato is washed and then cut. Nasa inyo yan guys. Up to you guys how big or small your cut. For me, it's like this. I think it's good. Not too big, not too small. I will be needing ginger. Or sa ating mga Filipino, ito yung tinatawag na luya. Remove the skin. So, slice ko lang siya ng parang matchsticks or strips. Mainit ngayon guys. We have a humid weather again. We're back into the hot weather. So, eto yung luya or ginger. Tabi muna natin. And then, I also have here garlic or yung ating bawang. Alisin lang natin yung balat. Remove the skin. and then dice. So I'm almost done preparing all the ingredients, and the pork spare ribs already boiling. So yung bawang, ganyan lang siya. Okay, tabirin muna natin. And then I will be needing a small onion. Oops, tingnan nyo yung onion. May mga dark spots. Pero okay lang yan. Pwede namang gawan ng paraan. Alisin na lang yung outer skin. Or yung outer first layer ng onion. Ayan siya. And of course, need to wash. Ayan, wash na. So, okay na. Ganyan lang. Slice or cut. Mukhang okay na to. Ayan siya. And then, ito yung eggplant from our potted plant. Gusto ko din siyang ilagay, guys. Sayang. Ayan. So, slice ko na lang siya na diagonal na ganyan. Para magamit. Ayan. And I'm back. As you can see, it's boiling and the scums are floating. So, I will remove those. These are the ones I'm telling scums. They are like the bloods inside the bones and meat. Remove those. So, okay na to. Next, I will put little bit of salt. And now, I will let this boil until the meat are tender. Need to cover and see you later again, guys. And I'm back, everyone. Let's check. Ooh, very tender. Wow. I can even see a bone. It's already detached from the meat itself. Look, that's how tender. So next, I will just do like this. Then add a little bit of oil, konti lang. Because I need to saute garlic together with the ginger and the onion. Ayan. Mix natin. Ooh, smells good. Then I will add fish sauce or patis. If you are not using patis, you can use salt. I'm Ang bango-bango. Then next, I will add coconut milk. So this is the one in can. Mahirap maghanap ng fresh coconut milk dito, guys. So I'm using the one in can. Mag-a-add din ako ng little bit of water. Then I have this one, curry powder. So let's add. Whoo, look at that. Of course, we need to mix. So I put around a little bit over 1 teaspoon. And later, if I need to adjust, I will just add. Okay guys, so I will wait few minutes for this to boil. It smells really, really good. And now it's time to put the chili, sweet chili, and potato. So I will cover for the meantime. And now let me check again. Smells so good. Looks like I can add the other vegetables now. And this is my first time to use string beans in my curry. These are the eggplant. Since we have plenty string beans from the garden, I thought of using it and it looks okay. There. Make use of what we have. I'm back. Oops. Last to add the red bell pepper. Ooh. Naging makulay na yung aking curry. Ayan na guys. So, few more minutes, malapit nang maluto yung aking pork spare ribs curry. Need only rice for this. Very tasty. Ayan siya, nakikita pa yung ginger. Favorite ko yan, ginger. Ayan, yung mga ang daming vegetables. So, at least, we get to eat the different kinds of vegetables tonight. Ito yung super cute eggplant. Okay guys, so see you later when we eat dinner. There. Of course, kailangang tikman. I like the sauce. Sabi nga nila, sarsa pa lang ulam na, diba? So, sauce muna. Nag-perfect. Perfect siya, guys. Wow. Masisira ang diet ko nito, guys. There. Because I will look for the other one. Now, it's time to taste the pepper. Wish me luck. Hopefully, it's not spicy, hot. I will just eat alone. See. Yeah, good. Good taste. good the curry. The meat tender, you can taste the coconut milk, the curry powder. It's not salty. Get sauce to put on top of the rice.
Tender.
Best thing is we use our vegetable from the garden. Oh, I also put the small eggplant. It's here. Okay guys, let's eat. Thanks for watching. See you again next video. Don't forget to subscribe. So we are done dinner guys. I'm done washing dishes as well. And look, still bright outside. So I'm just here in the garden and update with the remember the sunflower that I posted in my videos before, the big one. Here it is now. Look.